20 white balloons, that's 40. This is going to be a very simple balloon arch. I'm using two sizes of balloons, 12 inches in 3 colors and then 18 inches in white. So I have 12 inches in the color white, 12 inches in this confetti one, it's yellow with some golden confetti, and then 12 inches in this yellow golden balloons. So the first thing I'm going to do is blow my balloons. I'm not going to measure or calibrate the sizes because I'm not looking for a very perfect column. I'm just going to make sure I blow each balloon to about 90% of its diameter. So the 12 inches balloons are about 30 centimeters in diameter, and then the 18 inches balloon will be about 45 centimeters in diameter. I'm not going to blow it up to 45 centimeters. So anything between 40 and 45 is okay. I don't want to get to the maximum volume so it doesn't get weak earlier. Same with the 12 inches balloons. It should be 30 centimeters. So anything between 25 and 20 centimeters is okay. I'm going to blow them in pairs, so 2 of each color. This looks more like a pear-shaped balloon, so I'm going to deflate it. Just trying to make sure they are both the same or similar sizes. So I press them down just to make it rounder. We are trying to make them look like a ball and not a pear. We stretch the necks together, twist them twice, then pull the necks again, make a loop or a circle, and then insert another neck through the loop, then we tie it. So this is our first pair for the yellow ones. I'm going to blow up the confetti.
You can see that the golden confetti are all settled at the bottom, to one side of the balloon. I don't want that to happen. The best way to avoid this is to add little water to your confetti balloons. So the water is going to help the confetti in the balloon stick to the perimeter, the inner walls of the balloon. So that way you have the confetti all over the balloon, if you're making sense, instead of settling at the bottom or to one side.
I would need about 3 or 4 of the 18 inches balloon, but I'll blow them one at a time. We don't want the balloons to be pear-shaped like this. We want it to be round. So you deflate it. Make sure they are round. Then you press them down to make it rounder. I'll add little water to the confetti balloons just to help the sparkly thing inside move around instead of getting stuck on one side. After adding some water to the balloon, I don't think it's advisable to use the electric balloon blower. You you can use the hand pump or just blow with your mouth. I'm going to put all the pairs of balloon together in quads. So I take 2 pairs, then I put them together in the middle and twist. So I have a quad of the golden yellow balloons. Then I do the same for the white ones. 2 pairs, twist, another quad in white color. Two pairs of the confetti balloons. I'm going to attach the balloons to the stand without any pegs or clips, no rubber bands. I'm starting with a pair of 18 inches balloon. I push it down the stand, then I twist it around it. I need to lift it a little because the balloon is big. Okay, so we twist it this way. The next will be a quad of the white balloons, so the ones that are 4. The same method, you push it down and then you twist 2 of the balloons around the pole. Push it down, then twist 2 balloons around it. Arrange to fill up the gaps. I'm going to add a cord of confetti balloons. So same method, try and arrange it, then twist. After the confetti, then I put my yellow quads. Short girls issue. I'm vertically challenged. You can always move back, then you have a look to find out the imperfections, and then you arrange it properly. For the other side of the stand, I'm going to put the 18 inches balloon at the very bottom. Then I add the other balloons. So the same thing, I'm going to stretch the neck around the stand. I'm putting it at the very bottom on the leg of the stand just to help cover it a little. Then I stretch and tie it around. I tied one of the 12 inches balloon on the neck of the 18 inches just to make it longer so I can stretch it properly. Then I add another quad of white balloons. So same thing, you push it in, then you twist it. It's time to add the quad made with the 2 confetti, 2 white and then 2 yellow golden balloons. Way that the yellow ones will sit on top of the white ones at the bottom, then these white ones will be at the very top. I'm just going to push it through and then twist. Always try to arrange before twisting. I'm going to add this happy birthday sign to the stand. And it makes it very transparent. You can't see the line. I'm going to pass it through the balloons here. Just be gentle so you don't pop it. I don't have any pegs holding the stand at this side, so I'm going to tie up the fishing rod around the stand. I think it's hard to see because it's transparent. To complete the setup, I'm going to add my tables. If you want to know how many balloons I used, let's count. I have 3 quads of the white balloons and every quad has 4 balloons. So that should be 12 balloons for this side. And then 2 of the 18 inches balloon. So 12 plus 2, 14. That's for the white. Then I have 1 of the 18 inches balloon. So we have 3 18 inches balloon. So 14 plus 1, 15. Then I have 2 quads. That should be 8 balloons. So 15 plus 8, 23. So I have 23 white balloons. And out of that 23 balloons, 3 are 18 inches. So it means we have 20 of the 12 inches balloon. Then I have the confetti. I have a quad here, that's 4 balloons, and then I have a pair here, that's 2 balloons. So 4 plus 2 of the confetti will be 6 confetti balloons. So 6 confetti balloons plus 23 white balloons will be 29 balloons. Then the yellow or golden one, I have 3 quads here, so 3 times 4 is 12. So I have 12 yellow balloons here and then 2 yellow balloons here. That should be 14 yellow balloons. So 14 plus 29 balloons would be 43 balloons.